Welcome! In front of me I have IMILAB W01 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own picture or an image as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the GloryFit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the GloryFit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After the application opens, you should see the home screen. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. On this page, find the option called Watch Faces and tap on it. Now tap on Custom Dial option at the top and then tap on this watch face. And here we can customize our watch face. As you can see, we have background settings and we have select image and reset. If you tap on select image, you will see two options, take a picture and album. If you select take picture option, it will open the camera app. Then you can take a picture and use it as a watch face. And if you select album option, it will open the file manager or file browser on your phone and you can select the picture from your phone. So let's tap on album, for example. As you can see, we have different folders right here. I'm gonna open the download folder and select one of the pictures. And now we can crop the image. Basically, we can select what's gonna be on our watch face because the picture is too big to be on the watch face. So we can make this frame bigger, smaller. We can move it around like this. And once you're done cropping the image, basically whatever is gonna be in this highlighted area is gonna be on our watch face. So position it the way you want it to be on your watch face. And once you're done, tap on crop button. And here we have a preview of our watch face. We can also change the color of the text. You can tap right here to select custom color. And once you're done, you can tap on X right here and then tap on this button right here, synchronous dial, to sync the watch face with our watch. So tap on the button and wait. And once the syncing process is complete, you will see that the watch face is gonna be applied on your watch, and we can close the application. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.